Breaking news. Pastor Adeboye responded to his picture of him in Mecca. If you are watching us for the first time, click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. Pastor Enoch Adeboye, General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG, has addressed an AI-generated image depicting him as an Alhaji in Mecca. The image, which surfaced online in December 2024, shows Adeboye dressed in Islamic attire, standing before the Kaaba in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. During the first Holy Ghost Night of 2025, held on January 4th, Adeboye acknowledged the image with a wry smile, stating, "I'm sure many of you saw that picture showing me as an Alhaji." He used the opportunity to caution that mockers would become more aggressive in the new year, adding that many might not survive the year, though he emphasized that God does not desire the death of sinners. The AI-generated image gained significant attention on social media, with an ex-user sharing it alongside the caption, "Pastor Adeboye, may Allah guide you to the right path." The post garnered over 3.8 million views and thousands of interactions by late December 2024. This incident highlights the increasing prevalence of AI-generated content and its potential to cause misinformation or misinterpretation. Adeboye's measured response serves as a reminder of the importance of verifying information and approaching online content critically. For more information, follow this channel.